It's today's special value on free shipping and handling and 6 easy payments and so much more, and it's coming up right now. And today's special value is just that. I got to tell you something. Everybody backstage was wowed by the comparison demonstration that we're going to show you later. Literally comparing what it's like to have a slower processor with less memory. What does it really mean? We've talked about it for so long on QVC. Why can't we show you? Tonight we're going to do that. Hello, everybody. My name's Rick Delmeyer. Proud to bring you the first time ever on QVC, not just the fastest computer we've ever offered as the value of the day, but the latest version, the 4th generation, better battery life, Intel Core i7 processor. Not the 3, not the 5, but the 7. It's a 225080. Here are the color choices in our value of the day.
Intel actually had the biggest leap forward in battery savings with this new processor. This is the 4th generation processor, brand new.
It's so brand new, and you're one of the first to get it, and you're getting it inside this absolutely beautiful brand new computer. There's so much to get to, and this is huge news. Not only is this an Intel Core i7, but it's the latest version. This is the 4th generation Core i7. So the graphics, the speed, how seamless this will run, and the battery life. Tell us more about this processor.
Well, it's got the graphics built into the processor. Look at Rick's computer. He's actually watching 2 videos at the same time here. Yesterday's processor could not handle that. We're going to show you my work computer from just a couple years ago and show you the comparisons with this, because this is lightning fast. Multiple programs open at the same time.
We've never done this before. This is Nate's work computer, the Dell guy, the Dell engineer. So this is actually, Dell computer to Dell computer. The brand is great, but it's the processing power and the amount of memory that you have. So you got a dual core with 2 gigs of memory in here, right?
Yeah, dual core, 2 gigs of memory, a 40 gigabyte hard drive. 6 years ago I got this computer.
Okay.
And so the demo we're going to do here, Rick, let me tilt mine there for you.
Sure, we got it.
We have the same video file that we're going to open.
Same video file?
Yeah.
Okay, you do a 3, 2, 1 and we'll do it.
So we are going to, let me tilt it there for you, so you can see exactly what we're doing. We're going to click on the same file, 3, 2, 1, go, and show you, let me close that there. Look at the speed,
look at mine.
I just messed it up.
Well, look at this.
Well, let me catch up to you here, watch this.
So you just clicked on the wrong thing.
I clicked on the wrong program.
Already,
now let me catch up to you. Now let me catch up.
You're farther along on the roller coaster ride, you just passed me on the roller coaster. But look at this. So, has this been you? Have you found this on your computer? Whether you're downloading a file, whether you're streaming video, whether you're going onto a website, whether you're waiting for something to load, whether you go to your internet service provider and you're now clicking on a news story and it's some video about a celebrity and gossip and you want to watch it and it locks.
Let's show that, because that's the #1 thing that people use their computer for, is surfing the internet of some sort, and they're waiting on that hourglass. I'm going to have you exit out of that program.
Okay.
And let's show you the difference.
By the way, it even takes me longer to move my cursor over.
Yeah, very slow. You know why I struggled the first couple of years.
X out. Okay.
So he's going to click on his browser. I'm going to click on mine. We'll go 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I got to walk over here.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
I am on QVC.com.
And I am loading. I'm wanting to get on. By the way, it's the same internet service provider we have.
And there's that hourglass.
So the pipe coming into this is not changing.
No, nothing at all.
This is exactly the same. But 2 wireless computers here.
But there's that hourglass.
It's still not loaded. Look at yours. Yours is there. You're on. You're onto another website. You're onto another page. You could have shopped on QVC.com.
And there we go.
Checked that. Now I'm finally there. Now that's 1 page. Well, yeah, I want to go into another page and another page and it's going to take me. Look, that took at least 5 times as long. How compelling is that?
But Rick, look at this. You have 2 programs open. I have over 15 different graphic-intensive programs.
At the same time?
At the same time, and I still beat you. And my video was faster. Your roller coaster is still loading.
That is an Intel Core i7 with 8 gigs of memory and a terabyte of hard drive. This is not. So, what do you want? Do you want high-speed internet, or would you like a 56K modem? Right? I know what I want. I want to get outside. It's gorgeous, but wait till you drive this thing, because and this is the best battery life, the best leap in battery life, Lena, that Intel has ever been able to talk about when it comes to their processors. It's a huge battery life. It's like an eco-friendly V8 engine. It's like a V8
Yes.
engine that's great on gas mileage. That's what you're getting.
So
here.
in my little
And what's under the hood is this, the Intel Core i7. Here's a little animation to help let you know that not only for today, but for tomorrow, for graphic intensive video and text coming up tomorrow, you could replace 2 or 3 computers, that are lesser computers, or keep one awesome computer, and that's what you're getting here.
Well, it's the first processor that's got high definition graphics that's built in by Intel, so you're not having to have a separate graphics card. If you're a gamer, this is that perfect computer. You can more games that are playable all very quickly, a vibrant high definition display. You can even get 3D graphic performance without needing that card. This is a fast computer, but Rick, this isn't a dual core. This isn't the i3. This isn't the i5 from Intel. This is the top of the line, best processor that Intel has out there, and it's their newest edition. So this just released.
Also, by the way, it's 8 gigabytes of memory.
Yes.
It's
And these are and statements. And Rick, I have to call this out. This is the fastest today's special value we have ever offered.
Now, let's show your computer.
We've
We've
got
got your
processor
feed.
series from Intel, and it just came out, the 4th generation i7 processor. This is going to be lightning speed ahead of what you had
hard
before.
drive, a much better processor, and guess what? You're getting even better battery life. Normally, you go up to a V8, welcome, a great, really fast car, you're getting 2 miles to the gallon. This is going to be a much, much better battery life than the computer you have now. Please use 6 easy payments, and Marty, thank you so much. Infomercial. This is a live demonstration on QVC, and we're going to show you a good computer, right, with that's video intensive with a lot of video stuff in. It's got 2 gigs of memory, got a dual-core processor, and...
Well, mind you, Rick, this was my first Dell computer. This is actually my computer 6 years ago. So I received this from Dell. And so what we're going to do...
Look at the difference in the desktop, like just the graphic. Look at how high def this is. It's amazing, okay? So you give me the 3, 2, 1.
Okay, well, when you're ready, we're
ready.
Gonna, okay, 3, 2, 1, we're going to open the same video file, go.
Okay, now.
All right.
You're on. Look
I'm
at
on the roller coaster.
Boom. Look at the difference. Look at the difference in the color. Look at where am I going? I'm going nowhere on my roller coaster. Why is this happening? Explain what we're doing, because your ride's almost over.
I am off the ride.
It's incredible.
Well, it's the processing capability of the i7, which has graphics actually built into the processor, so it can handle all of this with much more power.
The graphics are built into the processor.
Yes, so you're seeing no lag here. And Rick, the one thing I want to call out, so you have one program open. I have 15 other.
We've never done this demonstration before.
Look at this.
I love this demonstration.
15 other programs. You want to go back to that
Look
HD
at
video?
that.
Let's go back.
And I'm still glitchy, and I'm skipping over half of my video here.
Your video hasn't even started. Mine's over.
The point is, it can't handle it. It can't handle what I want to do, right? It's like, I want the pizza in 30 minutes or less, but they're walking it over. It's going to take 4 hours to get the pizza to my house.
It is the whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do it processor. It can handle anything you want to do, from HD video, photos, streaming content.
Look at that.
And Rick,
what about gaming? You couldn't even game on this computer.
Well, let's actually show that, because I believe I do have a game.
By the way, you've got a game. 6 easy payments of $138.
The newest operating system from Windows 8, the newest processor from Intel.
Yeah.
I really want to focus on this processor, because this is the most powerful, fastest computer we have ever offered here on QVC. This is brand new, so it's not the 3rd gen. We oftentimes present that 3rd generation processor, or other retailers have that. This just came out. It's got better battery life. The graphics are actually built into the processor. So you're seeing, look at all these programs. You're seeing high definition video. Everything that I have open here is because I have processing power. This is a powerhouse, but it's an eco-friendly one. And when I say that, Rick, those old processors, they're running in a circle all the time, like starting your car and leaving your car when your engine's running. This is like that V8 engine that shuts off, that's smart, and knows when you're not using your app. So it saves and conserves battery life. There's that high definition graphics from Iris, Intel Iris. It really is, you can game on it. You can do so much more, with high definition video, editing photos. It's a great processor.
Okay, look out, America. Here we go. Time to make a choice. Time to make a choice with today's special value for the fastest computer we've ever offered. We're back. We're live with the fastest computer, today's special value we have ever offered, with the Intel Core i7, the latest version, 4th generation battery life, Intel Core i7, 8 gigs of memory, a terabyte hard drive, and our buddy Nate. Okay, comparison. This is not today's special value. This is today's special value. We're going to do something very simple. Let's go onto the internet, shall we? Give me a head start. Okay, you go.
Well, so we have both of the same web pages programmed, right?
Okay.
So you're going to start. We'll do 3, 2, 1. I'll let you start early and see if this one can load at the same.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm going on right now.
Go.
Okay.
All right,
here we go.
1, 2, 3. All right, I'll click on mine.
Boom! Man, Look at that.
You're missing
Finally,
a banner. You're missing
I'm missing something.
missing
I'm missing something.
It's
Hello, come on. It's still not there. It's still not
Almost.
there.
Hey, same internet, though.
You've already shopped for today's special value and checked out, and mine hasn't. Even now, it finally loaded, right? Now, if I want to go somewhere else and find it into the Dell shop, the cursor's a little slower. Finding that, go for the home. I'm just going for the home.
There we are.
Now, that's taken forever again. It's not going anywhere. Boom. Again, you get the idea. Which one would you like? Which one would you like to have? Which one would you like to use? Day in, day out. We're not using our computer just for email anymore once a day. You're using it constantly. How long will it take for your Facebook page to tweet, to literally watch video, to watch shows, to watch movies, to do 1,000 different things
it's
every
the little
day?
things. It maximizes your internet speed. It gives you high definition graphics. You can watch 2 movies at the same time. You think when you go to like a site like YouTube and you watch that video, no lag. You can't even get on the internet over there.
I can't. Let's go to the
Leaps
phone.
ahead.
Well, people still want the battery life. Most people might think, well, it's this Intel Core i7. It's a more powerful processor. Am I going to get less battery life? Actually, no.
No, this is actually, Rick, the biggest leap ahead in battery life from their previous generation from Intel. It's a big, big deal because yesterday's processor, kind of like when you start your car, it was just kept running in the background and it was using your battery life. That's not going to happen today.
Okay.
But, Rick, it's power. This thing is a powerful computer. I can edit video, I can play games in the background, and I can just do so much that the old computer couldn't do.
And the thing is, you need this power. And you're going to need this power. You're going to be happy that you have it. You're going to be happy that you have this much speed and this much opportunity to say, you know what, I want it here and I want it now. When I go to my television, I've said this many times before, I want to turn the channel. I don't want to wait for the channel to load on my television. And that's how we expect our computers to be. And the promise that was made years ago, well, there's going to be video and TV and so much on your computer. It is here. It's available now, but it's not available if your computer doesn't have the power to show it.
Well, and let's actually show maybe my old computer. We'll show my computer of 6 years ago and just show you how much technology has leaped ahead.
If you're just joining us, by the way, our today's special value is here for 1 day and 1 day only. Goes away at the end of the day. It's on 6 easy payments. And now let's go back to that roller coaster. We're taking this by request. My producers tell me people want to see this again. So just set this up in the last 5 minutes of what we're doing here. What's happening?
So we have 2 of the same video files on each of the computers here. This is my old computer from 6 years ago, right when I started Dell.
Yes.
This is the today's special value with the i7 processor, the top tier fast processor. So we're going to open the file at the same time. I'll give you a little head start. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going right now.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
All right.
I'm trying to load. Now, what's happening? Why is this slowing down? Why is it skipping?
Oh, mine's already open here. There we go.
What does it mean when it skips?
Well, so yours is lagging. Mine, I'm already finishing the roller coaster.
Is it
here.
trying to process the video, right?
It's trying to process the video and it can't. It's too graphic intensive for it to handle it. And you only have just this program open, Rick. Look at this. I have over 15 different applications open in addition to that video.
So the file itself is too graphic intensive for the actual processor, right?
Yeah, and if you want to open up
too much stuff trying to get through. But we have the same. People might say it's the internet, but it's not. Because this is the exact same internet provider, but whatever the pipe is coming in to QVC Studio right now, it's coming into this computer and to this computer, right?
You're exactly.
Now it's up to the computer to process the information.
You're exactly right. And the i7 processor, when you have the internet, actually maximizes the speed of your internet. It's by far and above Intel's best processor that's out there.
Let's go to the internet then.
Let's do that.
Because we got the same exact internet service provider here.
There we go.
Bada boom. Now I'm going to go. You go. I'm going.
Yeah, well, you already going?
I'm going. I'm trying to load.
Now I'll start. There we go.
And try to go to QVC.com.
See, I started about 3 seconds after you.
Ooh.
And you're missing a few.
Brutal. But in terms of how much slower, it's probably 10 times slower. Your computer, our today's special value, probably 10 times faster.
Easily. And, you think of multitasking, Rick, you only have one program open. I mean, it is light years ahead.
Let's go back.
Right.
In the final 4 minutes of our
programs, you want to go back to that
Look
HD
at
video?
That.
Let's